I got these filters while I was looking for a high quality alternative to the manufacturer filters, and I must say I am impressed. So they're super easy to change. They're high quality. They're much thicker than I thought they were going to be, which is great because you never want your dirt falling out or anything like that. And so all I just do is lift up the old one, toss that one out, and then put a new one right in there, and it's good to go. Super easy. I've also got this little spot right here where I can put some spares. These are much better made than I thought they were going to be. I am impressed. They exceeded my expectations. If you are looking for a good alternative, by the way, this does fit perfectly my J7 Plus, my Roomba J7 Plus. If you're looking for a great alternative, something that's going to be sturdy, something that's going to work well, last, hold all the dirt and dust that you need it to, and something that's going to be easy to change, I highly recommend these ones.